was gonna ask you.
Oh.
But you asked me first. So, yes.
Oh, and just so you know, I would have said yes.
Yes.
Then it's a date?
Absolutely. Wait, whose prom are we going to?
Mine, I think.
Yeah.
And after the baby's born, Mommy and Daddy will bring it home from the hospital.
But when they're gonna take it back?
Charlie, they don't take the babies back. I know, I tried with Gabe. Teddy, there you are. Hey, listen, I was wondering if you've picked out a prom dress yet. No, I really need to go shopping. Or not. Well, Mom, I need to buy a dress. I can't just wear something from my closet. Maybe not your closet. I don't like where this is going. Let me tell you a story that seemed tragic at the time, but is now finally going to have a happy ending. I really don't like where this is going. The year was 1988, and a young and beautiful Amy Blankenhooper was on her way to the prom with her third choice, Bob Duncan. But alas,